Hi everyone, welcome to Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1. When a woman wants to feel good and look good, it's all about dressing up nice, putting some nice makeup, having a nice bright skin, and a bright day. Those are some easy ways to boost happy hormones in the body because to feel good, one must look good, and to look good, one must feel good. My fashion workshop is brought to you by Mom's Joy, and I would like to thank Mom's Joy for presenting the maternity fashion workshop for Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1. Not just this, Mom's Joy is also part of my gift partners because they will be presenting some wonderful gift hampers to my winners as well. So come, let's have a peek and see what Mom's Joy team is sharing with our top 20 contestants. Some great tips on maternity fashion, on how to look good and feel good during pregnancy and during the postpartum period.
Like pregnancy is a time where our body drastically changes. Okay, so when I was designing for Mom's Joy, I never felt that these changes in body will have such an impact on us mentally. But when I was pregnant and I used to look at myself in the mirror, there were times when I felt, oh my god, what's happened to my body? There are no curves now, and I look like a box. And I used to feel sad at times. But then it's very important to accept those changes. You have to accept the new body shape, the new curves. And once you accept your body and you feel grateful that it's creating life and it needs this time, then your perspective will totally change. Also, it's very important to not overthink about changing your fashion style during pregnancy. You can maintain the same personality style. You just have to find the right fit clothes. Now, in terms of clothes, I think a shirt dress. My shirt dress was my favorite, so I used to wear it like a dress. I used to pair it with leggings. Sometimes I just used to put a belt on it to highlight the bum. There were numerous ways. I also wear it open with like a shirt and a pant inside. So I think a shirt dress is very, very versatile. I was very fond of loungewear sets also, so like coordinated printed sets that were super comfortable. They were like pajamas only, but made in satin, so it looked very formal. And I used to hang around at home also, even if I was going out. So loungewear sets were really comfortable. And my third favorite was kaftans. So kaftans are now very in, but at that time they were not really talked about. But they were free size, so no matter how huge you were, it had plenty of space for the bump and the body for movements. And again, wear it with or without leggings. So it was very, very nice. And sometimes I just used to put like a heavy neck piece. Sometimes nothing but just studs. So it looked different every time. You can also use accessories. For example, just put a belt on your regular top. Or if you have any old skirt, you should definitely check your old wardrobe, and you'll be surprised to see pieces that are pregnancy friendly. Like, skirts you can just pull up over your bum, under your bust, and it looks very, very cute. And you can wear like an oversized shirt. So I also used to wear my husband's t-shirts or shirts sometimes, and with fitted leggings. So it looked very, chic, and it was super comfortable. I have a few suggestions for a new mom for pregnancy. For fashion tips. Like after delivering your baby, it's very important that you continue to wear your bump band pants. It helps the tummy to stay tight, and it prevents sagging. Wear a good fitted bra at all times during your pregnancy and post pregnancy. You can switch to nursing bras, but good lifted look really changes the look of the outfit. So I think bra bands, and if you're a nursing mom, then you can keep a stool handy. Or I used to wear like short tops that I could just pull up, or they had front buttons or zips, so it was very comfortable to feed. Now, like sharing my motherhood experience personally, it was quite an irony that I launched Mom's Joy and I was dressing other pregnant women, but I myself suffered 3 miscarriages before I had Avyan. But this entire experience really changed me as a person, because there was so much that I reflected on. and I gathered so much of patience, and I was so grateful for everything. I don't take anything for granted. So it was physically very, very difficult for me, and more than that, mentally it was very exhausting. And I considered myself to be, very strong mentally. So these miscarriages really took a toll on me, and I'm not sure technically if I was in depression. But yes, there was a point when I stopped feeling things, and I was very neutral about everything, and I was very directionless. So both my husband and I had given up on having a baby, and we were just, attending other people's birthday parties and all, and it was like that. So then I started reading magic one day, and I implemented it, and actually everything just fell into place. We found the right doctor, and I conceived naturally, and then Avian was born. I have a very nice surprise package for the winners. It includes a dress, it includes a versatile nursing stole which can be used during and post pregnancy, and we have very cute pregnancy and baby cards where you click milestone photos of your baby, mug, and there are a lot of things. So these are the key ones that I remember, but we planned it with a lot of love, because we in any case love Dr. Mahima and her passion towards pregnancy, and to all her clients. So we've designed it very nicely, and I hope all of you will like it.
How sweet, Divya. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to collaborate with Mom's Joy.
Yeah, same here. We love it.
So those were some great tips on maternity fashion, because like I said earlier also, to feel good, one must look good, and to look good, one must feel good. So both go hand in hand, and maternity fashion is always one subject where women tend to get confused about what to wear. Well, it is not about just wearing your husband's t-shirt or a big size dress borrowing from your mother. It's important for you to boost the happy hormones, and especially in these pandemic times, if you're working from home or if you're at home, it does not mean that you cannot dress up to feel good about yourself. So maternity fashion is definitely something that we want our top 20 contestants to follow, so that they can look good, feel good, and spread happiness all around themselves, and definitely to the little one as well. So stay tuned, stay connected to know what's happening in Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1, India's biggest online pageant for pregnancy to motherhood. So stay connected, and don't forget to visit our website www.birthingnaturallyqueen.com and have a look at our top 20 contestants and see what all they are learning, what all they have to say, and how these top 20 contestants are empowering other mothers around them to spread smiles from pregnancy to motherhood. So cheer them up, motivate them, encourage them, and be a part of Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1.